Hey, if you're looking for a spacious, updated, and super convenient new home, I don't want you to miss this one today. Come check out 1807 Avon Drive in Corinth, Texas. This one is amazing. Let's go. With 3,332 square feet of living space, this 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home is sure to impress. Step inside and discover the private office space, ideal for remote work or study. The open concept living, dining, and kitchen areas create a seamless flow, perfect for gatherings and everyday living. Enjoy the beauty of light oak luxury vinyl plank floors throughout the main living spaces, adding warmth and sophistication. High ceilings and large windows flood the home with natural light, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. Hey, so I want to show you this upstairs game room. It is absolutely amazing. In fact, it is one of the largest game rooms I've ever seen in my life. The dimensions on this, it's 19 by 28, and it's upstairs, and it's actually bigger than most people's garage. And so I think this next room could be my favorite. It's actually the media room, and let's take a look. It's close to the game room, and what's cool about this, it actually has its own performance stage. How cool is this? So it's a great place to watch a movie, do some karaoke, or hey, become a rock star. With quick access to I-35 and Lake Lewisville, you'll enjoy outdoor adventures and easy commuting options. Step outside and discover the large backyard area, offering ample space to play and entertain. Hey, my name is Sam Thomas with Providence Group Realty, and don't forget, write it down, 1807 Avon Drive in Corinth, Texas. I'd love to show you the property. Call me anytime.